I must say that in these 2 days, ladies and gentlemen, when I was thinking what kind of knowledge, skills, experiences you are bringing to this place here in Bledu, I must say it's something incredible to have at one place so many different people with so many experiences, with so many years history of international relations that is today here. Can you imagine? Can you imagine how it would be if we would all put these experiences together and help at least one failed state to recover? Can you imagine? As Samo said, I followed our debates these 2 days, and I would like to pick up 2 things, 2 issues which are important for me, and I would like to add them to lively discussions that you have had now during lunch around your tables. The first one is connected with what has been said yesterday by our Prime Minister. He actually made a plea for some kind of at least small optimism in our work, not only for next decade, but also during these days to cope with the economic and financial crisis that is going around within Europe especially. I was trying to find out whom of you will touch a problem of at least small optimism or even greater optimism, which was very interestingly yesterday at most seen from keynote speech of our honorable guest, General Colin Powell. He spoke very convincingly about 50 years of changes in the world. He spoke while presenting his military career. He described the period of, I may say, European and North American peace. 50 years of growing optimism. 50 years of development of economy, transport, food supplies, energy, protection of human rights, democracy, free trade, free movement of people. Everything very optimistic. History of optimism. I was missing something in his speech. Who was missing? Citizens of the poor world. Citizens of Africa, Asia. Citizens of war-torn countries. Those that didn't have chance to live the same peace as we had opportunity to live within it in Europe and North America. Who among us is ready and able to go to these people, to go to these citizens and explain to them what the optimism stands for? We have these missionaries. We have them. We are sending them many times per year, and these are peacekeepers. My dear gentlemen, please help us to do this in coming decades. Thank you very much.